Hello everyone on YouTube, it's David the lawn cutting and row fitting musician, whatever y'all want to call me, Tate or David the lawn cutting and DJ, David the lawn cutting DJ musician. I got a box here. No, there's no Crosley Cruiser in here. There's no turntable in here. There's no RGB, but it's something really cool, just like the violin, and I will be unboxing it. I want to tell y'all, it is kind of like a harp. It's a zither, but we're going to open it. I'll bring it down here so y'all can see it. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and unbox it up here. That way I can better... Alright, I hope y'all can see this. One of these days we'll do a what does it look like under colored lighting. I'm really excited y'all get to see what this is. Yeah?
Hey, Tate, I think my stuff is in that box, too.
Alright, hold on. One second, YouTube. This?
Yes.
Alright, here you go. Sorry about that, YouTube. I just had to hand something to my own.
Hey, back it up.
Alright, here we go. You ready to see what's really cool here? Alright.
Back it up.
Alright, let's see what's in this big box. Like I said, this is not a Crosley Cruiser or a DJ turntable. Oh, look what we got in here. Extra strings, tuning wrench. Alright, we got a tuning wrench. Oh, looks like something cool in here. Oh, we got a strap too. Awesome. Who's ready to see this? I know this is awesome. This is not a Crosley Cruiser. Oh, it's a gig bag. It's awesome. I can store my tuning wrench in there. Alright, let's go ahead and open the bag. Alright, let me go ahead and bring it down so you can see it. Let's go ahead and open this thing. And look what we have in here. Look what we have in here. Look what we have. Alright, YouTube, I hope y'all can see this. It is a zither. But more importantly, yes, it's a zither. Alright. That is awesome. Oh, it's got an open back. That is awesome. It will need tune, so we're going to go ahead and I will get the tuning wrench out. Alright, YouTube, so y'all get to see me tune a lyre. That's actually what this is. This is a lyre. It's really awesome. Strings feel nice. They are a little spaced out, but I like it. Let's see, there we go. Now, let me go ahead and turn on my lyre tuner. I actually put a lyre on my keyboard. I do have it's a zither sound, but it's a lyre. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so I know what I'm doing. 1 second. Sorry about that, YouTube. I'm just getting some stuff ready. Alright, there we go. Let me put it down just a bit. That way I know what I'm doing. Alright. I'm back, and we're going to tune the lyre. We're going to tune the lyre. It is a zither. Alright, let me turn it this way so I can see. Alright, I can hear that really good. Oh! Here we go. That string sounds nice. Here we go. Let me go ahead and turn it up. Alright. I did get the G's already tuned. go. I had to speed up the tempo. That was too slow. All right, I'm back. Unboxing and demoing the new lyre. Check this string. Oh, we're good. Hope y'all can see it. If y'all can't, I'll move the camera over so y'all can see a little bit better. Move to the end of the wockoder record player. I think that sounds good. All right, that's good. Oh wow. All right. Well, A is pretty good. All right. Now we're gonna tune B. Tuning the lyre. All right, there it is. Over here. I'll bring it over here so I can see it. Hopefully I can. Here, I'll sit up here. That way y'all can see what I'm doing. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and tune to C. Go ahead and check that A string. Alright, that's D. It is gonna take a little bit because I'm it's playing the other notes, but I'm having to adjust these ones. You can definitely hear the harmonics on that one. It's going to take a long time. But once it's tuned, it'll be awesome. Yep, this is actually a zither. It's taking a little bit for these strings to get the pitch. Hey, we just got 8 strings tuned. All right. That is awesome. We got eight strings tuned. That is awesome. Well, we still got more to tune, but if y'all can just sit through this laborious process of me tuning it, it's I know I have to let these strings stretch, but oh. We are almost there, YouTube. All right. That is awesome. We are almost there. Well, let's see. One. About 6 more strings, 7 more strings to go. We are almost there. And that can go down to D. All right, we check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, 12 more. 5 more strings. Oh, wow, that's going to be a challenge. Wow, we got it pretty rough. A rough tuning on that one. Well, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and just fine tune a couple of notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. It actually sounds really good. So all the strings go across the soundboard. It is a zither. It's almost there. Well, it's tuned. I mean, well, I still have to work on that one string, but it's awesome. There's the lyre. Well, I will turn on the disco ball. We'll see what it looks like under colored lighting. Hopefully y'all can see it. So here we go. I know the disco ball is going to flash. So, all right, red light. This is what it looks like under red light. I'm slowing it down a little bit. So that's what it looks like under red light. Green light. This is what it looks like. And I know we don't have magenta, cyan, and yellow, but blue light, there it is. There's what it looks like. And there's the lyre. All right, thank y'all guys for staying tuned for this little demo of the lyre. Oh, I gotta tune that last string a little bit. Hold on. These strings are gonna stretch a little bit, so it's gonna be a... It's all gonna settle in maybe in a few days. I always forget that there's... Alright, YouTube, there we go. I'll go ahead and pack the tuning wrench and stuff away, but there it is. Definitely need that tuning wrench. I'll pack all the other sets of strings away. I still have to tune the... I still have to finish working on that F string. But there it is. There is my lyre, harp, zither. Let me go ahead and put that in the... And put this in there too. Alright guys, there it is. Alright, we got it pretty much on a rough tuning. So there it is guys. There's my unboxing plus demo plus tuning of my new lyre, harp, zither. Thanks for watching and more to come later. I'll see you on another video. Thanks for watching and more to come later.